I'm back here with another Tesla video, and wow, Tesla just keeps on changing their pricing. This month, they changed the Model 3 pricing a couple times, they included autopilot, they got rid of standard range, all that stuff. Now, they reintroduced standard range for the Model S and the Model X, which I have open here. They reintroduced standard range for both of these cars, and they also improved the range by 10%. Right? So before with the long range, you didn't get 370 miles. 370 miles, that's insane, right? And with the Model X long range, wow, you get 325 miles of range. So now, like, even with the standard range, you can go pretty far. Right? This is farther than the Tesla Model 3 standard range. So you're getting a heck of a bargain. I mean, it is a lot more expensive, but today we're going to talk about all the updates. So what Tesla basically did was they put in new motors. So the Tesla Model 3 had this permanent magnet synchronous reluctance motor, and what Tesla did was, instead of updating the whole Model S and Model X, all they did was update the motors. So they don't update the battery and no interior updates, nothing. Just the motor and the suspension. And this actually makes it so that it's a lot better at regenerative braking, so you get a lot more of your energy back. The new air suspension, this also predicts and anticipates how it will dampen, so it gives you a cleaner, smoother ride. And the final update that Tesla has is that you can now supercharge up to 200 kilowatts an hour on their version 3 superchargers. This means that you can charge 50% faster. Now you might be a little bit annoyed if you just bought a Tesla, right? Maybe you just paid for a long range, can't go as far, the suspension's not as good, supercharging is a little bit slower. Good news for you, maybe good news, is if you keep on going all the way, choose performance, Tesla will throw in ludicrous mode for free. Now this is kind of a bummer, kind of a good thing, because, you know, $20,000 option, but you'd also have to shell out $99,000. So it's up to you. Personally, I wouldn't go for it. If I did want to get the new one, I would just get the new long range or standard range. I don't think the performance is necessary. It is really fun, but how often are you really going to be using it? Now, one thing to keep in mind is you might want to compare it to other EVs like the Audi e-tron or the Jaguar I-Pace. It's a lot more comfortable. It is an Audi. Soundproofing is a lot better, but you can only go 204 miles on a charge. You could charge 54 miles of range with a 10-minute charge, but you know, you give and you take. Tesla has its fantastic supercharging network. This is all stuff that you should think about, and it's more for another video, but just to get you starting to think about whether or not you want to jump into Tesla now that you have 370 miles of range that you can go. That's it for this quick little update. Feel free to comment if you want to see anything else, like and subscribe, and just letting you know that there will be more Model 3 videos coming soon, as soon as my friends get them.